Think Japanese politeness is all about bowing and honorifics? Nope. Many common phrases hide surprising depths. We'll show you how to truly sound natural and polite. Hey everyone, Kofuku here, and you might think you know how Japanese politeness works.
But chances are you've been taught it a little backwards. We're here to help you get it right.
Let's start with the absolute MVP. Sumimasen. Most people learn it as sorry, which is true.
But it's also a super versatile excuse me for getting attention or passing through a crowd.
Sumimasen to orimasu.
すみません、ご注文は?
And here's the kicker. It can also mean thank you.
Specifically, thank you for a minor inconvenience someone went through for you.
すみません。ありがとうございます.
So it's not just sorry, it's an all-in-one attention getter, apology, and humble thank you.
Now, about saying sorry, there's a whole ladder of apologies, not just one word.
At the casual end, you have ごめんなさい. It's for light, everyday mistakes.
ごめん.
ごめんなさい、遅くなりました.
Then, on the more formal side, there's 申し訳ありません or 申し訳ございません.
These are for serious apologies, like a business mistake or a grave error. It implies deep regret.
大変申し訳ございません.
You wouldn't use that for accidentally stepping on someone's foot. That would be too much.
It's like bringing a bazooka to a water balloon fight. Awkward for everyone. This brings us to a common mistake: over-apologizing or overusing formal language.
In Western cultures, sorry can be a filler. But in Japan, it carries more weight. Too much can be strange.
And then there's keigo, or keigo, honorific language. It sounds super polite, right?
It can be, but beginners often overuse it. It's meant for superiors or formal settings.
If you use too much keigo with friends or casual acquaintances, it sounds distant.
もしもし、山田様でいらっしゃいますか?
Your Japanese friends might wonder if you're trying to sell them something.
It's about finding the right balance. Natural, everyday politeness is often more appreciated.
So, if not constant apologies or super formal keigo, what is the key to sounding polite?
It's often in subtle softeners and common phrases, like ちょっと.
Shotto literally means a little, but it's often a soft, polite no, or it's difficult.
それはちょっと.
Another big one is よろしくお願いします. よろしくお願いします.
This phrase is notoriously hard to translate, but it's a polite way to say, please treat me well, or I look forward to working with you.
はじめまして、よろしくお願いします.
You also use it when asking for a favor, like, please take care of this for me.
この件、よろしくお願いします.
These phrases, subtly woven into conversation, are the true backbone of everyday Japanese politeness.
So, to recap, sumimasen is your best friend. It's not just sorry, it's excuse me, and thank you too.
Remember the apology ladder. ごめんなさい. For light mistakes, 申し訳ありません. For serious ones.
And don't overdo the apologies or fancy keigo. It can sound stiff.
Instead, use softeners like ちょっと and the all-important よろしくお願いします for natural warmth.
Politeness in Japan is less about strict rules and more about context and connection.
We hope this helps you navigate Japanese politeness with more confidence.
Let us know in the comments if you've ever made a politeness mistake in Japan.